In the rapidly evolving world of 2026, building a successful online business that generates $10,000 a month is not just a dream. It's a highly achievable goal, thanks to ever-advancing technology and global connectivity. Today, I will guide you through the step-by-step process of setting up an online business that could very well reach this lucrative milestone. We'll explore key strategies that cater to the current market demands and ensure your venture stands out in a competitive landscape. Let's begin with the foundation. Choosing the right business idea. In 2026, the digital marketplace is undeniably crowded. However, niches constantly emerge as new consumer needs arise. Consider areas like virtual reality experiences, AI-driven personal assistance, or sustainable e-commerce products, as these reflect prominent trends in consumer behavior. It's paramount to choose a niche that not only aligns with market demands, but also sparks your passion and expertise. This alignment will drive you to innovate and excel beyond mere financial gain. Having identified your niche, we proceed to the next critical step: conducting thorough market research. Utilize advanced analytics tools to gain insights into consumer preferences and behaviors. Platforms today offer far more granular data than ever before, allowing precise targeting and understanding of potential customers. Focus on identifying gaps in the current market offerings that your product or service could fill. Establishing a clear value proposition is imperative to differentiate yourself from competitors effectively. Now, let's talk about building a strong online presence, arguably the backbone of any successful online business in 2026. Your website should be engaging, interactive, and optimized for mobile access, as this remains the primary mode of internet browsing. Highlight your unique selling propositions prominently, making it effortless for visitors to understand why they should choose your offerings. Leverage cutting-edge SEO strategies using AI-powered tools that enhance your search engine ranking, an essential element in driving organic traffic. Social media remains an influential platform for customer engagement and brand building. In 2026, focus on micro-influencer partnerships rather than traditional large-scale influencers. Micro-influencers often have higher engagement rates and more niche-specific audiences that align well with your target consumer base. Alongside, create compelling content that educates, entertains, or solves problems for your audience, consistently reinforcing your brand's voice and vision. Next comes monetization. How to convert traffic and interest into a dependable revenue stream. Implement an agile pricing strategy that adapts to market changes and consumer feedback. Embrace subscription models to foster recurring revenue, offering exclusive content or premium services for loyal customers. This not only bolsters financial security, but also builds a community around your brand, a crucial factor in sustaining long-term success. In concert with monetization is customer service, a vital driver of customer loyalty and brand reputation. In 2026, AI chatbots will handle routine inquiries with ease, allowing you to provide swift and consistent support. However, for more complex issues, prioritize human interaction to offer personalized assistance, reflecting your brand's commitment to customer satisfaction. Every positive customer experience enhances your reputation and encourages others to become loyal customers. Finally, let's discuss scalability. Transitioning from a startup to a full-fledged enterprise requires foresight. Plan for scalable infrastructure from the outset, leveraging cloud solutions to manage increased orders or interest seamlessly as your business grows. This flexibility will ensure you can respond to surges in demand without compromising service quality. As we conclude, remember that while building a $10,000 a month online business by 2026 is entirely feasible, it demands dedication, adaptability, and strategic thinking. The landscape is ever-changing, yet the principles of understanding market needs, delivering value, and fostering strong customer relationships remain timeless drivers of success. Embrace these, and watch your business not only meet, but exceed your financial goals. Follow and subscribe for more side hustle ideas. If you are in need to generate income today, go to www Kill9T05.com.